Hi everyone, you're with Dan and Larry once again. We're going to talk about the whistle on a BA set. Larry, do you know anything about whistles on a BA set?
Just a tad.
Okay.
Dan the man. The whistle on this BA set is here, and it's a high pressure activated, low pressure operated whistle, which basically means it operates like all whistles, preset at the factory at 55 bar plus or minus 5 bar. So somewhere between 50 and 60 bar, that whistle is going to go off as the air drops. We will set it at the factory at 55, and some fire brigades will set it at 70 and higher, some at 100 bar. Now, when we open the cylinder valve, we have a temporary operation of the whistle. We hear it because that whistle right now is open. Air can flow down this hose and through that whistle now up until it gets to 60 bar, then it will close off. When we open the cylinder valve, we temporarily hear the whistle. It'll just go as it goes up when it gets past 60. As it drops down, the pressure on the way up pushed the piston against the spring. As the pressure drops, that spring gets more tension as the pressure reduces, and the spring pushes a piston past an activation point of the whistle. And when that whistle goes, it will continually go until you get down to medium pressure or just above, about 10 bar. Depends on the nature and design of the whistle. The high pressure activated, low pressure operated whistles tend to operate better at 95 plus decibels from 60 bar down to approximately 10 bar. The other whistles that operate on a high pressure activated, high pressure operated tend to operate at 95 plus decibels when they initially go off, but as the pressure drops and the airflow drops, the amplitude of the whistle also drops.
Yep.
So yeah, they're a very important part of the breathing apparatus. They're there to warn us it's time to get to a safe breathing zone.
So in short, the whistle's always on until it sees air pressure. Air pressure makes sure that whistle is off, and as pressure comes off, as we breathe it and slows down, that whistle realigns itself to the right portion and starts to whistle about 55 bar.
That's perfect, Dan.
I know, and
I'm impressed.
it gets quieter around 20 bar too.
It does.
It does.
A little bit.
All right, that's enough from Larry and myself. If you need anything at ISH 24, give us a call.
Every time.